Okay, guys. So I'm gonna be going over some of the different stocks that we're looking at for today. First one's going to be Jpmorgan Chase. So JPM, it's pulled back in this 9-day moving average. So with price already pulled back in this 9-day moving average, we can go ahead and look for an entry right here. Have our stop loss right beneath this 2 weeks ago's low. That's where I'd like to have it. I know if price breaks beneath there, then we'll go way lower. Also, only do 1% of your entire account. The next stock we'll be looking at is Bank of America. So Bank of America is ready to go. It looks like it's sitting on the 9-day really perfectly at 29.55. If I was going to put a stop loss, it'd have to be down here or so, somewhere down here. So that's why I'd be trading Bank of America. These stocks are literally sitting on the moving averages right now as we speak on the weekly charts. Now, American Express, I'd wait for a pullback to either the 9-day or 26-day, then I'm going to look for buys. Now, there's really not that many trades, open, guys. There's not really that many trades that are, being set up. Stocks, we've had a big run since earnings. We just got to wait for the market to correct itself. Don't force trades. Don't force yourself into anything that doesn't make sense. Wait for clear setups and wait for, setups that make sense to you guys. Right now, we have earnings coming up. In July. So we have FedEx this coming the 19th or so. I think that's next week, actually. So we have FedEx coming up. That's another one we're going to be able to trade as well. So there's not really that much. We're just looking at JPM and Bank of America right now. Also, FedEx coming up for June earnings the 19th. Make sure to use earningswhisperer.com for that.